These are not just glitches. They are crises that show us the real-world cost of our work. Being an engineer in the age of AI means, well, your brain is constantly buzzing with difficult questions. It's not just about will this code work anymore? Now, we have to ask ourselves things like, should we even build this? Or who might this technology harm, even if it helps others? Imagine your boss comes to you with a new project, an AI that can monitor student activity in online classes to detect cheating. On the surface, it sounds useful, but then the questions start bubbling up. Will this invade student privacy? What if the AI makes a mistake and falsely accuses an honest student? This leads to a constant internal battle. On one side, you have the pressure to deliver. Your manager wants the project done, the company wants to launch a new product, and you want to be seen as a productive, valuable team member. But on the other side, there's your own conscience, your own sense of right and wrong. It's a lonely place to be, stuck between a rock and a hard place. You feel the weight of the company's expectations on one shoulder, and the weight of your potential impact on society on the other. It's a choice between professional security and personal integrity. And these aren't simple choices with clear answers. The right thing is often blurry and complicated. What is the right balance between security and privacy? Between convenience and fairness? Between progress and caution? There's no textbook or formula that can give you the perfect answer. So, with all this pressure and all these scary problems, is it all just doom and gloom? No, absolutely not. I truly believe there is hope. The fact that we are even having this conversation is a huge step forward. We are the ones who can fix this crisis because we are the ones who understand how this technology works from the inside out. The solution isn't to stop building, but to start building differently, with ethics as our foundation, not as an afterthought. As engineers, we need to demand better education. Ethics shouldn't be a single boring elective we take in college. It needs to be woven into every single one of our technical courses. We need to learn about bias in data the same way we learn about bugs in code. We also need to build a culture of courage in our workplaces, where raising an ethical concern is celebrated, not punished. We need to support each other and create spaces where we can talk openly about these challenges without fear. But this isn't just a job for engineers alone. Society has a huge role to play. We need everyone, users, policymakers, artists, parents, teachers, to get involved. We need public conversations about what we want AI to do and what its limits should be. In the end, this is our moment. Just like past generations of engineers built bridges and sent us to the moon, our generation's great challenge is to build intelligent systems that are not only powerful, but also wise, fair, and kind. We have the power to infuse our values, our empathy, and our hope for a better world into the very code that will shape the future. Let's not shy away from this crisis. Let's face it head-on, together, and build an AI that we can all be proud of.